Para maging confident po ako, naghanap po ako ng school na mas makakatulong po sa ginagawa ko. Yung nakita ko po yung The Bailiwick Academy.
Very encouraging, helpful ang mga classmates ko. Pati si Miss Grace, sobrang thankful ako sa The Bailiwick and proud na maging Bailiwicker.
Yung pinaka nakaka-surprising part doon, yung madali lang pala, yung step by step, basta susundan mo lang yung mga tinuturo ng mga chef, makukuha mo siya, tas sobrang dali. First try mo pa lang, magiging successful na.
Nakita ko si Chef Joey doon. Nandun yung ensaymada niya. So yun ang in-enroll ko. Unang-una kong in-enroll sa TBA. Nung pinapanood ko yung ano niya, yung ensaymada niya, ganito pala. May sikreto pala. So nung nag-try akong gumawa, doon ko nagustuhan.
If you are still thinking to enroll in Bailiwick Academy, I suggest you do it now.
Lahat ng mga teachers, mga professors, very approachable naman sila. Yung mga classmate natin, yung kung hindi mo naman alam, talagang supportive sila kung paano mo gagawin. Kahit isa ka palang beginner, lahat ng experiences na isi-share nila sa atin. At yun ang pinakamagandang inspirasyon at motivation.
The Bailiwick Academy invested on the recording, the quality of recording, and the way they design the website is really friendly user. So those are the things like, wow, you really get what you pay.
I improved in baking when they tried the pastries that I was baking. So I have now a small Facebook page, and I'm selling the pastries that I have learned.